Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable profile view history on TikTok. So let's get started. Pause the open TikTok app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on three lines icon. After that tap on settings and privacy. Next tap on privacy. Then scroll until you find profile views. Next tap on it. After that, you can see the option of profile view history. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable profile view history on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.